Indigenous Youth STEM Conference, it was so great to see all of these kids that we work with throughout the year. So we go out and do traveling workshops at almost all of the schools in Ohsweken, and it's amazing to see them all come to campus and kind of experience the full effect of McMaster Engineering. You only get a snapshot of it when you're in a classroom, when we can only bring so many supplies, but it makes that experience and the ideas and full extent of engineering kind of come to life when you see it all together on campus with all of our instructors and things like that.
Hi, my name is Sunit.
Hello, my name is Tiana.
And we're going to tell you what we learned at McMaster. We learned about robots and Mickey things where you plug it into the computer and you can play Pac-Man with different things. We had fun today and going to have more fun today because we're going we have a choice of swimming or a gym.
And then we'll be spending the night and having more activities tomorrow.
A big nyawa to everybody who came this year and had a blast at the InSTEM conference at McMaster. Thank you very much for coming, and we hope that we see you again next year.